Welcome to Lucien's Crochet. Today we're looking at the thermal stitch in the round, and here I've done a couple of rows, and you can see that this is my join area here. Pretty invisible, or as invisible as you're going to get with crochet. So how do we do this? I've come across, kind of gone all the way around. This is my first stitch from the previous row. So I'm going to pull up a loop and I'm going to insert my hook from behind into those two loops. Oops, I've grabbed another loop. Then I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to put that working yarn towards the front, grab hold of that loop and pull it through. So chain one here, and then you're going to go into the very next stitch, which is here. So it does away with all this confusion of trying to fit in here. You're going to go into the very next stitch and start. And then I'm going to mark that off with my handy dandy stitch marker, and we'll come back around. Okay, I've come back around. I've got my last stitch of the row here, and then I'm at that join again. So I know that that was my chain one, so I'm going to skip that, and of course I have my handy dandy stitch marker, so that helps considerably keep me accurate. So I'm going to draw up a loop. I'm going to insert my hook from behind into that first stitch, turn my work, again remember to bring that working yarn to the front, reattach, tighten, reattach and pull through, chain one, and then I'm ready to go with my very first stitch. Okay, and let's see that one more time. So I've gone all the way around and I've got one more stitch. I will complete that stitch. I know I'm at the beginning and that this is my first stitch, even though I've got this bit here, that's my chain one, so I'm going to ignore that. I'm going to draw up a loop, pull off my stitch marker, insert my hook from behind, but I am going to turn my work and turn that turning yarn, reattach, tighten it and pull it in, chain one, and then I'm going to start in the very next stitch. So it's not, in the very next stitch, so actually it is that one there. And then I continue with my thermal stitch all the way around. Fantastic. I hope this helps.